guys, welcome back, and today I will be showing you how to make my Dalgona coffee. This is such a cream latte smooth drink, and into my measuring cup I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of coffee, and 2 tablespoons of warm water. And you want to take your electric hand mixer and mix this until it becomes creamy and fluffy. Once it gets to that stage, you're going to continue mixing until you get that stiff peak. And the stiff peak should look something like this. Set this aside. So over here I have my serving cup, and I'm going to add 3/4 cup of milk. Use any type of milk that you want to use. You can also add some ice cubes into this. Then add about 3 tablespoons of the stiff peak coffee mixture. Just like so. You can see that peak there. So this is another type that I'm going to use just strictly water. If you're not a milky person, feel free to add some sugar, make it a little bit sweeter. I'm using some ice cold water. I'm going to add about 3 more spoons of my stiff peak coffee mix. Give it a nice little stir. Work it right down to the bottom. Add a little bit more, swirl it. You can see that peak is there, and here you have it, guys. This is such an easy, simple, and refreshing cold beverage. So check the description box below and all details will be listed there. So thank you for watching. Enjoy. I will see you soon.